Oh, now?
Are you going to do a voiceover for this?
I don't know. Maybe on some parts of it.
Do I need to explain myself?
You can. And if you end up, I'll send you probably the unfinished video.
Mm-hmm.
Like where I edited it and everything. And then if you don't like the way your voice sounds, I'll do a voiceover.
Okay.
I've never had anybody else do my makeup other than Cole, which doesn't really count.
Really?
Nope. I don't let other people touch my face on a regular basis.
This is gonna be interesting. I don't know if that's too much or not, so we're gonna go in. Is it too much? Is that too much?
No.
Is it
Yeah.
too little? Okay, well,
It'll dry, it'll be okay.
It's okay. We're going for it today. You like how I brushed your eyebrows before I actually put that stuff on?
Oh yeah.
Is it too late?
No.
Okay. You know, that makes a difference.
This is probably gonna be the best video I ever make.
Going in. It's been such a long time since I did somebody else's makeup. Oh, and by the way, there is no better way to clean up your brow than with your fingers.
Yes.
Nope.
Nope.
No. Don't come for me. Don't worry, I'm gonna go in and make it darker, especially like on the tails and stuff. I'm just trying to get the general outline. Homegirl in Savannah. Really?
Hacked my eyebrow a little bit.
Yeah. You said it, not me.
Yeah. I've been trying to fix it, and I literally don't go out of the house without my eyebrows being filled in.
I wouldn't either. I try my best not to anyways.
But your eyebrows are like full.
I
Mine
do
are
have
extremely
full eyebrows.
Mine are so sparse. Like if I don't fill in the tails, it's like, whoop, where her eyebrows at? Like,
I don't want anything else. We're in there.
he's a little bit better looking than Luke Combs, but
You better save that in the video. He's gonna like that.
Why? We're getting someplace.
did you take your lip ring out?
It fell out in my sleep.
I had to take a tragus piercing out for like a 6-hour tournament,
Mm.
and I had to re-pierce it whenever I got home.
Mm-hmm.
And
I started
thought
to
I was gonna
re-pierce.
die.
I started to re-pierce my lip, and then I just gave up. Don't worry, like I said. Concealer.
I want to get something else pierced, but I don't know what I want to get pierced. I wanted to get my frowny pierced,
Do it.
but I don't have a frowny. Like everybody has that little frenulum right
Yeah.
there.
What the heck?
Some people don't have smileys.
Do you have hair?
It's a pencil. That's,
Do you have a sharpener?
I don't know.
Concealer it is.
Camera, get your crap together.
You have one job. What I'm doing now is just going against the brow and just cleaning it up ever so slightly so you can have a sharp, like, don't mess with me brow. Fingers are the makeup brushes from God.
Quote of the day.
Remember that, kids. Life lessons. The most important one.
I hope you know I'm going out in whatever makeup you put on my face. So please don't do me dirty and like give me some like Chola lip liner or something.
So something that Cole would do.
Put highlighter all over my face.
I do that every day anyways. But look at how good that brow is though.
Oh my god.
It's a clean brow, isn't it?
It is.
She's clean. Am I weird on camera?
No.
Am I weird in general?
Yep.
Yeah.
If you weren't weird, you wouldn't be Brittany.
Exactly.
If you're asking if I just wipe my nose in your hair.
I said,
So, you know how I was starting to do YouTube again to get monetized, right?
yeah.
Well, their requirements were 10,000 lifetime views.
Mm-hmm.
They changed it.
To what?
4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. And I was at 8,000 views, so I was almost there.
I'd be so mad.
I got so frustrated because I was like taking time and making thumbnails and
Like actually trying.
yeah.
Which I think that you can get someplace that, like, I like your videos. Like, I like watching your videos, honestly. I find myself watching your videos more than I do a lot of actual other beauty gurus.
Oh.
Well, that's honestly just because, like, not only do I know you, but you're relatable in your videos and whatnot.
It
Well,
got
it's
weird.
honestly, it's not weird. It's just she messed it up, like,
Hardcore.
where it didn't need to be messed
Where
up.
she filled in my eyebrow after she did it, the tails came down to about here. I don't need that long of an eyebrow. You understand. I was like, and she did it like in a shade. Yeah, she filled them in with a shade 4, and I'm a shade 3.
Yeah.
And I told her, I was like, I mixed the two shades because neither of them perfectly fit it. And she was like, well, we'll just go ahead and do the 4. And I was like, are you sure? And then I had to walk around like that. And as soon as I got in the car, I wiped it all off.
I would have too. I'd have been like, nope. Now we're just taking a little bit of the Arbonne eye primer.
It's a look.
And we're done.
Okay, I'm just gonna. Me when I make one mistake on my makeup. And we're done! Me whenever I try to do liquid eyeliner. Because after I try to do liquid eyeliner, it's
Just
I
kinda done.
only am capable of doing a wing whenever it's 3 a.m. I'm bored doing makeup that looks like it's for a hooker.
And not even on
And
camera.
I can't even, and I have nowhere to go either.
But listen, those pictures though, it happened.
Oh yeah.
It feels like a lot of powder, and it is because I accidentally put too much. But don't worry, it's all gonna come together in the end.
They call me Juan.
They call me Stacy.
And this is literally just going to be our transition shade. This is literally the scariest experience I've ever had in my life, other than cold makeup. Because I never really anyway. I got you, dude. Like, I'll have friends that are like, can I do makeup on my makeup? Nope, you don't have makeup, you do it on my makeup. I would trust you enough to do my makeup. But that's...
Nicole's lazy too. Nicole should be doing school right now, but it's okay.
But it's okay, because this is gonna be your job one of these days.
That would be nice, but cosmetologists around here don't get paid jack squat.
Well, I was just talking about a YouTuber, but...
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, that's where I'm at with it, too. I would love more than anything to be a cosmetologist. Oh my
You'd have to
gosh.
move to like LA or Knoxville or something to be able to.
Really make money.
Yeah, or like Asheville. No, Asheville probably wouldn't. They'd be like, do you use vegan foundation?
At me. Because you know that's exactly what they be doing over there. All the time.
It's Asheville. Nothing
Listen.
against Asheville, but it's Asheville.
I love Asheville.
I like their food.
So we don't get too crazy, I'm going to go in with Orb.
Welcome to Burger King. You can have it your way, but don't get crazy.
But don't get crazy. That is my favorite thing ever. Yeah, and just like darker colors, so don't worry. It's a look right now, it looks a little crazy, but we gon' fix it.
Me, whenever my mom sees my grades.
It's Listen, it's a look right now, but it's all gonna come together. This is gonna be extremely pretty with your green eyes. Like, this is gonna be a look, for sure.
This is actually my boyfriend, Brock. I watched that like 30 times in a row.
Shout out to Brooke.
Her makeup is always so pretty. Like,
I
y'all
know.
always look like on point, and I'm like, hi, I did my eyebrow correctly today.
I did my eyebrow correctly. Love a good burgundy. That's so pretty. It's a good thing we decided to hold off on your foundation.
Yeah, I can feel it now.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot of fallout going on over there. But it's okay, you have makeup box, don't you?
We're still going to just clean it up a little bit more of the primer on, like, so if I spill it, and then...
Everything ever has been going into Sephora and MAC and stuff and asked if I wanted a job, though.
That would be awesome.
That is by far my favorite makeup moment that I've had.
That and the first time I ever got a highlighter. The worst way. I love it. I've never been into a MAC store. What? Girl.
Because the flipping landlord over there. By the way, I was not about to cuss either. It just kind of sounded like it. Because I got tongue-tied. I really wasn't. I'm trying to stop.
Okay. I looked at you like, Brittany, you
I'm
don't
trying
have
to stop.
lie.
It's a little bit more firm, which is what I'm looking for. And it kind of has a point right there, which is exactly what I need and what I want, and I'm trying to decide which color I want to pick up first. You know what? It's okay.
And build up the intensity, especially right there in the center and on the end, because that's the main place I'm wanting that.
I like how we're finally doing this.
Yeah, we talked about it like, I don't know, 5 months ago.
I know. I'm just like, yeah, just holler at me, and somebody never does.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
You're always busy though.
Don't hit me with that, because I was going to come over here the other day. What I'm going to do is take that shade and pop it
Swatches for days.
right there on the inner corner area.
So, I'm gonna have to try my best not to get my wet in the shower. But yeah, basically what we're just doing right here is just making sure that I have depth and dimension and just right under your eyelid, just to kind of give it. Sorry, it's fine. Just for the halo, yeah. I use that effect. There's just a little bit more dimension. That's pretty. That's extremely pretty. Okay. There you go. Okay.
It's my eyeball, by the way.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's fine.
Just so you guys know, I'm not a professional.
We're just gonna keep it at that. I'm not a professional makeup artist.
It's not full, it's not medium, it's not light, it's weird. How does that work out? I don't know. So how I like to do my foundation is, I like to start on, I look like a red panda right now. I'm gonna be looking at the finder, or the... Oh, yellow eyeshadow? Yeah, well, for, at the moment. I like to do my foundation before I do mystic, and if you're wondering why I didn't do chemistry questions, this is why. Sorry, same school kids. Don't do school standards. But I mean, I'm gonna have to cut it out of this. Yeah. My parents would be like, what? You're not allowed to help anymore. That's what they were saying. You're right, Nicole. You've done it. You've really done it now, Nicole. You've really done it. Nicole. It didn't look super bad. I mean, I just looked a little bit tanner and blotchy, but it's okay. A little tanner and blotchy and just a little orange. Well, my face didn't turn orange, but my body did. That's good though. And also, just so you know, I'm a full coverage queen. I think also, there's gonna be a lot more foundation I'll use too. I hope you're ready, girl. But it's gonna look good. It's gonna be a look for sure. Trying to make sure that everything's even in coverage and just looking nice.
Okay, just like look up.
Dollar General trips with Chris.
Gosh. Oh, I had no idea what was happening. And then whenever you told me, I said, oh.
Long story, guys, but it's not what you're thinking, I promise.
Or is it? It's either exactly what you're thinking about or not what you're thinking about at all.
And you'll never know.
Because we're not telling you.
No, it's probably not happening for me. I'm coming back and getting you. It's fine. I can just do it there, so I think, oh, okay. That's no problem. That's fine. That's good. Well, I don't really mean, but you know that. Yeah. I'm just saying. I appreciate it. You're welcome. Ooh. Hashtag fright. Hashtag fright all day. I hope Jonathan like doing Tony and all the or something like that.
Making a Greenville in a nutshell video, and you want to know what half of it is?
What?
Me at different angles going, do you want to go to Mott's?
I mean, that's true. That's exactly.
Do you want to go to the Commons?
Let's go to Walmart and sit in the parking lot, please.
Let's sit in...
Let's sit in the parking lot.
Let's try to do donuts with our crappy lowered Hondas.
And Subarus.
Oh, yes. I have a 5-gallon exhaust tip. I'm cool.
What are you talking about right now?
Bill Renner. I don't even personally know. He finally cut his hair.
Did he? I liked
Yes.
his hair.
Yeah. I think it inspired way too many Greenville kids to grow man buns, though.
I did so bad. Listen, Bill, if you're watching, you had nice hair. Period.
Watch me get a DM after I post this video. Him being like, you know who I am.
It's the gray noise.
Real Bill Renner.
I feel like I don't even know Bill Renner,
But I feel like
everybody knows Bill Renner.
Yeah. Kind of like Ben Lundy. Everybody
Yeah.
knows Ben Lundy.
Yeah, even if you don't know. It's a work in progress, okay? I'm trying.
For some reason, I was thinking about me, and I was trying to powder the whole interface
Y'all, this is fixing to be the bronzest you've ever seen me.
with the Park Avenue Princess. And as soon as we're done actually bronzing, we're going to do a little bit of contour. Snatch. Yeah, we're going to snatch you.
A trick to a really nice contour is to blend the contour up into the cheek and not down. And I'm actually going
At
to...
me next time.
By the way, everyone, yes, this is how long it usually takes me to do my makeup. Again, we're just blending it up and not down. This is going to be the longest video that I will ever post. Until she does my makeup video. It'll be the second longest. Those are good. Lily lashes, which is what it's for now, are really nice. As well as your acid ring. Mom's about to come say that you've been doing my makeup for like 2 hours. I know.
I'm just taking the Laura Geller blush in the shade Blush and Brighten in Apricot. Oh, that's the name of the product.
It's a diamond highlight.
It's a diamond highlighter, okay. Your people know. I don't have to explain. Oh my gosh. This is everything.
Like, I like, I don't know. I love making the different, I don't know, I just love making a difference in people's faces and stuff and seeing how different people can look. Okay, now I've done that. We're gonna go in with just a lot of color. We're actually probably gonna spray your face as well with a little bit of your setting spray, just to get the full.
Okay.
I'm a professional. I'm a professional. Where's that from? I don't know. I can't remember off the top of my head. This is everything. And we're gonna pop that. Up there. Make sure it's nice and smoky. There you go. We pop. I'm so sorry. That was a lot.
Just away the fallout. Try not to get your hair in your eye. Okay. Alright. Now it's time for some mascara. Your eyelashes are so pretty.
Thank you.
Listen, I'm actually just gonna let you do this part.
Okay.
Tea time with Brittany. What's the tea?
Everyone in Greenville sucks.
What she said. Okay, you're definitely going to need to cut that out. You're gonna be geeked as soon as you see what I just did.
You flip the camera off, didn't you?
I might have. Always look at this.
Brittany's like, I did good.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. What lippy do I want? I'm just gonna do yours like I do mine. As I do. This is a look right now. Oh no!
Damn it, Brittany.
It's okay, I didn't mess it up that bad.
Okay, you're right.
But I'm glad we both have confidence in Brittany right now. Like, I'm also talking about myself in third person. Okay. Now we're going to do I like to go on the bottom first. I know that's on like inside and out, but it's okay. This is extremely sticky today. A little bit. Go. You like how I have like your head and like I was like, look at my camera.
It's a look.
And we're done.
Okay.
You like it?
Yes. So guys, this is the final look. Brittany did wonderful.
It took like 45 minutes, but it's okay.
Okay, it took way longer than 45 minutes.
But it looks so good though.
It does. It does. Oh, wow. Hi.
Hi. I usually look better than this.
She's still pretty. Thank you for doing my makeup.
You're welcome.
And now we have to do something weird for the thumbnail. So,
Yeah.
like,